How to type in chat on Roblox Xbox in-game. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. Is it possible for in-game chat on our Xbox? Unlike our Xbox PC, where we can easily chat with whoever we want to in-game in our Roblox. With a simple tap on the game and a simple play button, we can just send a message to another user without a hassle. So is it possible to do so in Xbox as well? Sadly, there isn't actually a way to type in chat directly within Roblox on Xbox. This is because Roblox wants to maintain a safe and secure environment for younger players, and text chat on Xbox can be difficult to moderate effectively. However, if you want to do so and play along with in-game chat, you should try out Roblox mobile app or website, or even Roblox app for your PC. However, there is no feature for in-game chat for Xbox. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Hopefully you found it informative for you.